I have seen, I think, the Vice Guild President of Makerere University in the room. Permit me to use maybe 2 minutes to invite the members of Makerere University Students Guild. This is about the young people and leadership matters under the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program. Let us welcome the Vice Guild President together with, I think that is a minister, a speaker. Yes, let us also welcome the speaker. They'll use maybe, let us give them two minutes each to speak to us. It's about the young people. And I know they have been mentored by Julius Nyerere Leadership Center, so they'll know what 2 minutes per person means. Yes, you're welcome. Let us welcome them. You will stand on the existing protocol, but at least say something.
Good afternoon to you all. I am Edgar Stewart Mujisha, the Guild Speaker of Makerere. I would like to thank Mastercard Foundation and everyone who has participated to making this day a success. It warms my heart to see the phase 2 of this program. I request that those who have gotten this chance, take it up with joy and make sure you make the best out of these years that you've been given. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. I'm quite short, so I will stand around here. Good afternoon, all protocol observed. I am Joy Eve Serunjoji Nakanyike, a fourth-year medical student, the GRC of Mary Stuart Hall, Loombox now, because we are quite involved in the solidarity right now, and serving as the Vice Guild President of this mighty hill. I'm so glad to have been given this opportunity, because who am I to speak again once to the Mastercard Foundation team and all of you? I'm just imagining what you are feeling right now. I think you're very excited. I would be too. And like all the previous speakers have said, I'd just implore you to not take this for granted. This is an opportunity you've been given that not many have received. I like the inclusivity that has been used. I've had the 11%, the 35%, and we can't take that for granted. Thank you so much, Mastercard, for involving us all as students. And I just wish the best for all of you. Let this be, I know you've had opportunities before, but that was you driving to the airport. Now you've entered the aeroplane. You're about to take off. Sit tight, be attentive, enjoy the ride, make the best use of it so that it can take you to places you've never been before. I see a bright future for all of you, and I wish you all the best. Have a lovely afternoon.